tonight was just the scale of the prospects. And I don't think the stock market really fully appreciates just how, one, advanced the prospects are, two, the scale of them. I mean, talking about 7 billion barrels of reserves.
Huge resource potential with lots of running room. 7 billion barrels of mean prospective resources.
What is an oil prospect? An oil prospect is a geological area where the possibility of finding petroleum deposits in commercial quantities is predictable. A prospect is a possible petroleum deposit where no drilling has taken place, but which has been mapped and a volume calculated. Prospective resources. Prospective resources are estimated quantities of petroleum that may be recoverable from undiscovered accumulations in the future. Prospective resources are unrisked because they have not yet been tested by drilling. They have not started drilling as yet, so it has not been confirmed. Check out this video if you want to learn more about the process.